subscribed to my channel and you are watching my channel. This guy. Can you just lock her in the kitchen or somewhere? Today I am. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Dazzling Lotus. This is Shansi Anis with you guys. I am back with another exciting video for you guys. So in today's video, we will be making these two planters out of used detergent cans. So if you are interested in seeing how did I make this, please keep on watching. So before getting into the video, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel and you're watching my videos without subscribing, please make a point to subscribe to my channel. We are close to 200, so let's make it 200. So subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when I post a new video. Also, I am there on all the social media platforms, so follow me there also.
So guys, these are the things you need to make these planters. Some air dry clay, sketch pen, colors. I've used both poster and acrylic colors, blade cutter, scissor, then obviously the detergent can, and you'll be needing the glue also. So that's it. These are cleaned and stickers are removed, and I prepped it for the process. So that's it. Yeah, that's it pretty much you need for this. So the first thing you have to do is sketch the design to the detergent can and make it ready for the cutting process. Once your sketching part is finished, next move on to the cutting process. The cutting process was pretty much difficult actually, but somehow I managed with the blade and the scissors and removed the head part of the can, following the lines. And yeah, I will suggest you guys to be careful with the blade and scissors, since it is a little difficult and there are chances you may cut your fingers, so be careful with this process. So I finished cutting. The next step would be spray painting this can with your favorite color. I prefer to color this in red, so I chose red spray paint and I kept it for drying. It's completely dried. Next I am moving on to the coloring part. I started off with the leaves, painting it in green color. Here I am using acrylic color. Once the leaf part is finished, I started coloring my flowers. I chose yellow and purple as my flower colors. It's totally up to you what color you want to choose. Once the coloring is done, I set aside that for drying, and meanwhile I'm taking my air dry clay and making some butterflies, because I would like to see some butterflies around my flowers. painting is totally dried, I wanted to add some more details to it. So for that I took my nail paint and I am painting it on the middle of the flowers so that it gives some kind of definitions to the flowers. My butterflies are all dried up, so I decided to move on with the coloring part of it. I chose blue color and some black detailing on it. One thing is very important. Anytime you're working with any art piece, minute details always makes a big difference. So always keep that in mind. Now it's time to stick the butterflies around the flowers. I'm using your glue stick to stick them onto the planter. That's it, we are done with our first planter. Let's move on to the second one. For the second planter, I'm planning to make a turban man face. So eyes will be there and that will be the nose part, and towards the down I'm planning to keep the lips. So while I'm working on it, you guys will come to know. Compared to the first planter, this one was pretty much easy for me because just cut off the top part, that's it, and stick the eyes, eyebrows and the turban to it. So it was pretty much easy. So let's begin the process. So that's it with the second planter. Now just moving on with some detailing part to the eyes and lips so that it looks perfect. Once the painting part is done and it is completely dried, I'm moving on with the turban part. I took a red cloth and I'm wrapping around this red cloth as a turban. Yes guys, we're done with both of our planters and they turn out to be very good as expected. So until we meet next time in another exciting video, this is Shamsia signing off. Take care guys. Bye bye.